Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been working in Canva for a while, you've probably run into that annoying moment where you've got a bunch of elements perfectly arranged, maybe a logo next to some text or a set of icons lined up just right, and then you accidentally move one thing and it throws your whole layout off. It's honestly one of the most frustrating parts of designing, especially when you're in the middle of a project and just trying to keep everything neat and aligned. Well, good news, because Canva actually has a really simple built-in solution for this exact problem, and it's called grouping. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works, step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll never have to worry about your design falling apart again just because you nudged one element by accident. So let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is select the elements you want to group together. To do this, click on one of the elements first, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on each additional element you want to include. If you're working with a bunch of elements that are close together, there's actually an even faster way to do this. Just click on an empty area of your canvas and drag your mouse to create a selection box around all the elements you want. Anything that falls inside that box will automatically get selected together. Once you've got everything selected, you'll notice a small toolbar pops up right above your elements. Look for the option that says Group and simply click on it. And if you're someone who likes keyboard shortcuts to speed things up, you can skip the toolbar entirely and just press Ctrl+G if you're on Windows or Command+G if you're on a Mac. And that's it. Your elements are now grouped together as one single unit. This means you can now click and drag the whole group around your canvas, resize it or reposition it, and everything inside that group will move together perfectly, keeping your spacing and alignment exactly the way you designed it. Now, let's say you need to make an edit to just one element inside the group later on. No problem at all. You have two options here. You can either double-click directly on the specific element within the group to edit it individually without breaking the group apart, or if you need more flexibility, you can ungroup everything by selecting the group and clicking Ungroup in the toolbar, or using the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+G on Windows or Command+Shift+G on Mac. And this grouping feature becomes especially useful when you're building things like social media templates, business cards, or even full presentations where you've got logos, text boxes, and icons that all need to move and resize together as your design evolves. Instead of painstakingly realigning everything every single time you make a change, grouping lets you treat multiple elements as one clean, organized unit. And that's really all there is to it. It's a small feature, but once you start using it regularly, it's genuinely going to save you a ton of time and frustration in your design workflow. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you want more quick and practical Canva tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.